In this video, we discuss about identation error. Identation error. Okay. What is identation error? What do you mean by identation error? Identation error is a kind of error in which in other language like C and C++, for particular statement, there will be a block which is represented by curly bracket. This type of bracket. Okay. In the Python, there is no need to define this kind of bracket. In the Python, simple if we place an error this kind of situation, so it is an error of identification. Okay, identification error. Like we describe it for example, like we print a statement. That is print a statement. Hello. Print a statement. Hello. Okay. Now we run this program. Now we run this program. The output will be seen on the output screen. Output is okay. This means program is okay. There is no problem in the program. But we give a space in first. Then it show an identification error. Then it show an identification error. Okay. This is the basic identification error problem in the Python. Okay. Identification error represent means identification error represent a if it don't obey the rule, then it will show the identification error. If it means okay, if don't obey the rules, it show an identification error. So to remove the identification error, we obey the rule and don't space before it print. Okay. In further we discuss about identification error.